Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to beatbox. Hold on, I want to try something. Let me try this. I have a fan, so I just tried beatboxing into it. Nothing happens. So, today I'm gonna teach y'all how to beatbox. Because normally I have to hit my face with something. My head is hard. I don't know what this is. I got like a pimple right here and a pimple right here. And I got like, my voice is cracking as like crap. I don't know. So, today I'm going to teach you how to beatbox. You won't be learning that. I'm just trying something to warm up. Alright, so there's only 3 basic sounds. Hi-hat, snare, and the bass. Start off with the hi-hat. It's basically just the emphasis of the T. You go. Okay. Next, the snare. It is the emphasis of the K. It's like that. The bass is, as you can hear in that. Yeah. So that's it. I'm going to teach y'all some other things in my next how to beatbox videos. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.